everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good to see y'all. This will be a product video. Well, in the beginning, I would say I was like a DIY queen. I was making stuff up on my own, and then I turned into a product junkie, and now I'm like a minimalist. Like, I try to use the least amount of products as possible as I can, just to make it simple, because I'd rather just have it simple, you know? Simple and healthy. When I first started going natural, I was using shea butter. I would be mixing my own shea butter up with different oils. Actually, it wasn't different oils. Honestly, it was shea butter and olive oil. Olive oil was my oil of choice that I would use. My leave-in conditioner, I would mix a moisturizer that I already had for my hair when it was relaxed. So I would just mix the moisturizer and some aloe vera juice and put it in a spray bottle, shake it up. That would be my leave-in. Deep condition, I would take things out of the kitchen, you know, mixing up eggs, using mayonnaise, like anything I could think of to put on my hair as a deep conditioner. What else was I doing? I was also using herbal essences, Hello Hydration. Y'all, that conditioner got me through. I would still be using that, but I wanted to start supporting my kind. Yeah, I kind of transitioned away from using herbal essences, Hello Hydration, just to support other small businesses. Herbal essence is going to be around. I want to support the people who look like me and who are making products for my hair. So yeah, so I just kind of pushed them to the side, but it's really cheap, and it's really, even though it's cheap, it's really good. Like, it could detangle anything. Like, all I would have to do, you could use a lot. Like, now I feel like, okay, let me be cautious about how much I'm using, because these products, some of them are expensive. But with Hello Hydration, that herbal essence, I would be like and just all over my hair. We transitioned to 2020. Well, actually, we could go back to 2019. Yeah, we could go back to 2019 because I still have some of the products that I was using. Shampoo, I don't have the shampoo anymore because it's gone. Actually, I just got some new shampoo by Mielle Organics. It's the Babasu conditioning shampoo. I used it once. I'm gonna have to use it again because I don't think I used it right. The shampoo that I was using last year was the Detangling Hydration Shampoo by the Main Choice, okay? This isn't it. This is the conditioner, but I love that shampoo. It smells amazing. And I also use the 3-in-1 conditioner. So it's a co-wash, leave-in, and detangler. I love this. It really helps to detangle my hair. It leaves my hair soft. And it's a little bit left in here. I told myself I'm gonna save it for hard times. So like, if I run out of my new leave-in, I'm gonna just hang on to this. I also use the Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment by the Main Choice. This is really good too. You put it in your hair, sit under the little hair dryer for like 15 minutes, go in the shower, rinse it out, and your hair is just like, hey. So I love it too. But I'm running out of this as well. So since I'm running out of this, like I said, I was trying something new. Plus Mielle had a sale. Everything was like $7. I got this Babasu. I don't know. The Babasu Emit Deep Conditioner. I also used this last year a lot. This is a Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I don't even know when I got this. It just has been around in my cabinet forever. And whenever I run out of something, I just go to this if I need to deep condition. So that, and you know, the oils. My favorite oil is castor oil for my hair. My favorite oil is castor oil. This, I'm also saving this for hard times in case it's an emergency and I can't get to some leave-in conditioner. I mean, you just never know. So This is the As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. It just smells so good. It smells good. And I just use this as a leave-in conditioner, honestly. That's what it is. So what else? Did I touch on everything here? I also use this gel. I use this gel to do this slick back style here. Stay tuned for the next video because I do it. I'm gonna show y'all how I get my type 4 hair into this slick back. I used to be afraid of gel, but you know, times have changed. I've gotten older and wiser, and I know how to take care of my hair better, so I'm not afraid of it no more. And even though I'm using these products, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna love these products. You just have to find what works for your hair, you know? And oh, I have to talk about my last 3 favorites that's really turning me into a natural minimalist, okay? So, the first thing I got is all Melanin hair care. The first thing I got was the Melanin TWIST-ELONGATIng Style Cream. For one, this was a brand I had to support because Whitney Natural 85, she taught me how to do my hair. Like, every DIY, okay, I didn't do all of them, but a lot of the DIYs that I did, I learned them from her. I even did she has a black soap shampoo that I was using when my scalp was itching so bad I couldn't figure out what was wrong, so I stopped using like all kind of I just stopped using everything, and I was using that shampoo. I probably should go back to that. She has a lot of good DIYs, and some of the stuff I was just like, it's no way I'm going to be buying all those things to put in a butter. But she did it for me. She did it for me. This is the Melanin TWIST-ELONGATIng Style Cream. I love this stuff. You know, you twist your hair up with it. And then I also have the multi-use oil blend. This is really amazing too. I was hiding it from the people in my house, but they found it and they love it. So I love the oil. And then the leave-in conditioner. I love the way this smells. It smells just like a peppermint. Like, if it smells like a peppermint, I'm sold. It's really good too. So you can use this as a leave-in conditioner, as a conditioner, as a detangler, as for your pre-poo. So you can use this for a lot. And it's also a lot that comes in here too. Compared to this bottle, like, it's a lot more in here. So yeah, that's what I'm using now. Like I said, just find what works best for your hair, and once you figure that out, there's no need to try to experiment with a whole bunch of things and waste your money, okay? I'm all about saving a coin, or 5 million. When we moved, I threw a lot of products away, and I was just like, why was I buying these things? And I was just buying them because they were hot at the time, but they didn't do anything for my hair. If you could get your products from like Target or something, just return it. If you don't like it, just return it. And that's a mistake that I made. If I didn't like something, I would be like, okay, how can I make this work for me? How can I make this work? Instead of just returning it and get my money back. I would be mixing it up with stuff, trying to, like, no, you could have just returned it and got your money back. If one company comes out with a product and then they have 50 million different shampoos, you don't need 50 million shampoos. Just use the one you have, and then maybe try another one. Like I'm doing with this one. I feel like I'm gonna like it. I just gotta figure it out. I'm contradicting myself. But these right here are definitely my staples right now. These 3, definitely my staples. So that's all I have for you. Thank you again for checking me out and staying this long on the video. I appreciate you for sticking it out to the end. Just please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video and if you like the content that I'm providing. Some of the products that I've mentioned, I'll include them down in the description box. I thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.